Welcome to Cell Cargo, the biggest cell in all of the muscle tissue. Now, let's get going. This is our fabulous border patrol, just part of the cell membrane. If you look up, you'll see there's a giant glass dome. This is our full membrane that keeps danger out. Now, if we go forward, you'll see a giant sphere. That is the cell nucleus. Now, if we go inside of it, there's Mayor Nucleus, and he's a pretty nice guy. He's in charge of the DNA files, which keeps the entire city moving and running. He's not here right now, but he's on vacation. If you want to take a look inside, you can. Alright, now, let's get moving. We're gonna hustle up, and we're gonna go all the way over to the very first stop. If you'd follow me through the woods, please. So where we're going is a very nice place. These are the suburbs for our cytoskeleton. What they do is that the good old citizens here in Chicago support the economy, which we use to represent the cytoskeleton. No one's home right now, so don't even bother. Now please follow me. That's the Golgi complex over there. We'll visit that later. Same with that endoplasmic reptilian building. That will be fun when we go there, but not now. So here we're at the mitochondria power plant. A very, very good place for a very, very good city. Now, if we go inside, there's the workers. Now, when we go inside, you can see what they do is they produce sugars in ATP to keep this city moving and running. It's well worth it, our investment to build this power plant. Without it, the city would die, literally. Now, if you'd follow me, next, we're gonna go all the way up here to the lysosome prison. These are where the baddest guys of all the muscle tissue go to be sentenced to execution. The bad organelles, we call them. Only the bad people go there. Now, if we keep moving across this bridge, we should be able to keep moving. This is a very nice bridge. I hope you all enjoy this. Now, just keep walking, please. Follow me. Yeah, I know, there's the volcano. You can visit that on your free time, but, we're probably not going to visit that in this tour. Over here, we have the start of the meat processing, which is the farm. You see, the farm makes cows, and the cows have proteins. Then, once they make the cows, they are sent over here, if you'd follow me please, to the slaughterhouse. The slaughterhouse is where they are butchered and murdered brutally. But, on the plus side, we get food. So, there's some that are ready to be butchered, and if you see back there, where the cows will go, you pull that switch, and the cow dies. Very simple, very easy. Now, if you'd follow me again, this is a stall for horses. There are no horses in right now, or we would ride them. Now we have to go back. If you'd follow me, please, ladies and gentlemen, this time we'll pass the volcano, so you get lucky. The volcano is another version of the cytoplasm, where chemical reactions happen. But the main cytoplasm is the rivers. If you notice, we don't have roads. That is because the cytoplasm is a much more clean and efficient way of, rather than using cars and roads, we use boats and rivers. It's very clean, very efficient, and no harm is done to the environment. Now, if we would keep walking, we just visited there. Now we're going to go see some other stuff going. Now we get to go to that place I told you was going to be a blast. This is the cemetery. Please don't stare at the graves or run over them. Now, right up here is the endoplasmic reptilium, where meat is packaged and sent out. Now, if you come over here, we have to start over here because this is where the meat comes in from the slaughterhouse. This is the rough ER wing, smooth ER wing, where there is nothing. But what we do and how this works is we take the meat and we put it in these carts, and it gets all the way pushed around. But why is that, you ask? Well, So once we go over to the rough ER wing, a worker will pull the switch over here, if you'd focus right there, and package the meat, like that. See, it'll wait for the meat to come around, any second, and then we package it, just like that, it just gets packaged. And once we're done with that, we can keep moving along, then we can exit. What does the meat do after it's been packaged? Well, then we ship it all the way over back. We passed this place before, but now we get to go to again. It's the GBD, the brick building right there. It is the Golgi Complex Delivery. Now, in the GBD, they package up this meat and they are ready to ship out the proteins to them good citizens. Yup, you bet you, bub. It's very nice. If you'd like to check out the trucks, you can. It's very nice. It's actually, trucks are very cheap and very efficient. They're water wheels instead of normal wheels, and they will ride on the Cytoplasm River. And then, finally, what we can do is we can actually just tour some more. So if you follow me, what we'll find is just more forest. The forest is kind of where we get our other food besides proteins. But we're not really going to focus in on that, unless you want to pay for the deluxe tour. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining our tour today, and I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.